It's nothing like I've ever tried before. I'm from Nashville, Tennessee.
Seattle, Washington.
Yo soy de México, específicamente de la Ciudad de México.
I'm originally from Canada.
Trying my first arepa was probably one of the most delicious things I've ever had a chance to put in my mouth.
It was fun, it was interesting. I got to pick exactly what I wanted, and it's my first time, so it was great.
It was great, I loved it.
Mi primera arepa la probé hace muchísimos años cuando empecé a salir con un chico venezolano y yo nunca había probado la comida venezolana, entonces él me dijo, te voy a enseñar, te voy a llevar a un lugar, y probé una arepa que me acuerdo que me fascinó, que era la de reina pepiada, que tiene como ensalada de pollo y le ponen muchísimo aguacate y la verdad que me encantó.
Eating arepas, there's so many different kinds, from chicken to beef to cheese stuff. I mean, there's all sorts of kinds that you can try.
Actually, I really liked the fact that I could taste everything that was inside of it without having too much bread. Usually you get a sandwich and everything that you wanted in the sandwich is kind of overpowered by the bread. And this way I could taste all the flavors but still have that like handy compartment to eat it with.
I love the crunchy part on the outside. It's my favorite.
Me gusta que es como que una harina muy noble, entonces tú la puedes rellenar de lo que sea, le puedes poner carne, le puedes poner verduras y todo sabe bien, entonces eso me ha encantado de la arepa.
It's like nothing I've ever had before. Growing up in the South, it's mostly American food, and coming down to Miami, you're introduced to so many different cuisines, like Venezuelan and Cuban food, so it's a nice change of pace.
Not really. I mean, if I had to compare it to something, I would say, like, if you make cornbread in a cast iron skillet, the part that was touching the skillet that's all nice and crunchy and crusty, it was probably closest to that.
No, but it kind of reminds me of a pita.
Bueno, obviamente siendo de México he probado las gorditas, pero no es tan delgada la masa que yo creo que no le cabrían tantos ingredientes como la arepa.
I don't make arepas at home.
I have never made an arepa at home.
No, I don't.
Bueno, mi suegra hace unas arepas muy ricas, pero las hace en su casa y las lleva, entonces realmente nunca he visto cómo las prepara.
Absolutely, I had no idea it was that simple.
Oh, that sounds so easy. I totally make that at home.
Yes.
Sí, claro, no sabía que era tan sencillo. Me dijiste que es harina pan, sal y agua. Sí me atrevo.
I've had chicken, I've had beef, I've had cheese stuff.
I ordered one with the churrasco and tomato and avocado and white cheese, and it was delicious.
I've tried the steak and the chicken.
He probado de carne asada, de chorizo, de queso, de varias. Hay una que me encanta, tiene de todo, es una grosería, te da pena comértela.
Actually, queremos, yeah, I'm not gonna eat this.